airsofters, BB shooters, ball shooters, well, bows. Back in Sheffield, back at Stan, beautiful Stan. I'm here with Jamie and some other people. I think his name's Vertex Tactical Airsoft. Make sure you go check out his channel. I'll leave a link in the description. Jamie's just currently paying for himself, so you'll see him in a few. He's coming now. Yeah, boo. Alright. Bro, that has to be our intro, you know, for everything now. We're going to be doing some more CQB. For everyone that watched you can't see me. For everyone that watched the previous video, thank you again so much. It does mean a lot. I think that's just hit 150 something views. We're here with Paul today, who's on our table. We met him last time we came, didn't we? He's amazing. He's such a good laugh. And he's got some serious pistols as well. Quite scary ones. I shall catch you for game briefing. Well, safety briefing and then game briefing and then some footage. Peace.
Today, by signing on and taking part in this briefing, that means you are accepting and confirming that you understand the conditions of play and you have signed the insurance waiver. We do have copies in there if you want to reread them, and you can read through this safety briefing if you want to check over anything. So to start off with, general admin, please keep the safe zone tidy, use the bins that we've set out for you. The toilets are through the airlock on the other side of the safe zone. On the right, there's a hazmat suit guy at the doorway. Keep those tidy, let us know if there's any issues. Eye protection must be put on as you are going to the toilets because you are leaving the safe zone. If you need to smoke, make your way out here. You do not need eye protection out here as well. So as the name suggests, the safe zone is the only place on the site that is considered safe. It's the only place where you don't need eye protection, which means no dry firing, no mags and weapons. If you need to test your weapons, go into the gun range to do so. Has everyone chronoed? Yeah. If you make any changes to your weapons or bring out any new weapons, make sure to get chronoed. We have zero tolerance for people that are over the limit. You will not be playing if you are caught over the limit. Now, when index is called, typically how we run the site here, we'll do turnaround games. So we'll do 2 games before you come back up here. We'll swap sides. So after that first game, we'll call index, you swap sides, play again. And on that second game, when we call index on the second time, we will be shouting mags out, weapons clear. So that is taking your mags out, clearing your weapons of any BBs, put your weapon on safe, on the floor that you are on, and then come back up to the safe zone. Please make sure your weapons are fully safe before you get back up here. There will be a marshal checking your weapons just in case you forget. It does happen. It's no biggie, just as long as you do not come back into the safe zone. Eye protection. Eye protection must be worn at all times when outside of the safe zone. It must be capable of protecting the wearer from the impact of a .2 BB at 550 FPS. It is down to you guys to make sure that your eye protection is able to do that. If you're unsure, we can get it tested before you go out. It's better that it breaks in the firing range than when it's on your face. 550 FPS is not the limit here, but it's just to be safe. Have we got anyone under the age of 18? Okay, full face protection is mandatory for people under the age of 18. But if you are over the age of 18 and you choose not to do so, you are accepting the risks that come with that. So you do have a choice, but if you get your teeth shot out, don't come crying to us. Yeah? Weapons. All weapons must be set to single shot. We are a single shot site. It's too close quarters in here to be playing with full auto. And that extends into trigger spamming. We do not allow it. Use only the amount of BBs you need to eliminate the enemy, not to actually kill them for real. We don't do double tap, but if you can double tap, go for that. If you need a few more, go for that. But the more you start shooting, the more the enemy team are going to respond with more shooting. And by the end of the day, you'll all be practically full autoing each other, and it'll be shit, and it'll ruin it for everyone. We don't want to go to work with loads of holes in our faces and our arms and everything, so let's be sensible with the triggers, guys. The gaming arena. Treat the structures in the site with respect. It is a rundown factory and it looks right scruffy, but we don't want it getting any more rundown than what it already is. There may be rubble falling off the walls, paint, just all sorts of stuff, so don't mind that, but don't damage anything, please. Do not shoot out the lights and glass. Around the outside of the building we have windows. Most of those are smashed through. Do not purposefully shoot out of those windows. We have debris netting up over them, so that should stop most of the BBs, but if you purposefully point at those windows and start shooting, BBs will get out, so do not do that. If a door is locked or has hazard tape over it, do not attempt to open it. It'll just be a pile of rubbish that we've hidden in a room. There's no tactical advantage to go in those places, so leave them as they are. General health and safety, slip, trip and fall hazards. There may be small puddles in the arena. BBs, obviously, when they pile up in corners and you hit those at speed, it's like an ice rink, you'll go flying. So take it slow if you're unsure. If there's any rubble on the floor, watch out for that. There's some dark areas, so you might not be able to see where you're going at all times. There may be things in about head height, so just take it easy if you're unsure.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, give up!
We'll have non-band. Oh shit, it's only reverse, sorry.
Rock, paper, scissors, gun.
Fucking that. Fucking that. I'm telling you now, you're not finding me. Yeah.
He's watching YouTube vids, that's what it is.
I know, yeah.
I love his confidence.
Yeah, I love it.
If you don't see it, you'll hear it.
Mate, you'll have your hand up that time you've even seen me. You've seen one video. You've seen one video. Trust me. Ask him.
Right, so we've got our teams together now. We've got the Bandit team and the Skins team. If you're ever in a situation where you want to identify which team to belong or make yourself known as a certain team member, you can only ever call out your own team. So you guys can shout Skins, you can respond with Skins. You guys can shout Bands, you can respond with Bands. Never say the enemy team's side, it confuses the matter. If you ask for someone's team and they don't answer, you're either stupid or on the enemy team. Now, the side is in the shape of an L. So starting from this side, we call the Rutland Road side. You make your way over to the centre here, and then all the way down there to the factory side. The factory side of Rutland Road will be your spawn points throughout the day. This is a multi-floor side. We will be fighting on one floor at a time, unless we brief that we're fighting across multiple floors. time you die, you shout hit, you go back to your start point, at which point you will find this clicker. We'll show you where these are when we take you to your spawn points. You add your death by clicking the button above the counter, and then you straight back into the game. So at the end of the game, we will count up the scores on these clickers, and whichever team has died the least is the winning team. Now this will be a turnaround game, so as I said, when we call out decks, swap sides, we'll play it again, and then we'll come back up here on that second round at the end of it. There'll be about 15 minutes each, so you'll be down there for half an hour. If you need to come up to the safe zone to respawn, just go ahead and do that. Get started your round. Any questions? My clicker is broken. Never mind, it's fixed itself. Take defense to run off it.
Right. No? No?
4, 3, 2,
Bless you.
1, game on!
Oh, hit! Fucked.
Dead man.
Go, 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 go. Yeah. Yeah. Marshall! Move! You scared the fuck out of me then, you know. Why has it gone really fucking quiet? Oh, sound. Fucking hell. Well, I did that. Yeah, I did. Follow. Go on. Dead man! Dead man! Dead man! you knobhead. Almost lit you the fuck up then. Well, I'll cover. Pull, middle. Got any of that? No. No idea.